Hi, my name's Bill Fryer from Megahome Distillers, and today I'm joined by Becky Fryer, also from Megahome Distillers. She's the Managing Director and Chief Technical Officer. And today we're going to be talking about how to replace the fuse on your Megahome distiller. Okay, Becky, take it away.
Yeah. Okay.
So you notice on the bottom there's an 8mm bolt that needs to come off. There's also a little washer on there as well. All you should need for this is either one of these sort of 8mm spanners and then some needle nose pliers.
Okay, normally you can just put your finger, your fingertips underneath the bottom plate and pull it up. If it's a bit tricky, which this one is, what you want to do actually is bash the side of the distiller like this. And then that releases it. Okay?
Now that you've got the distiller open, it might be worth taking a photo with your mobile phone so you know exactly where the wires, which wires go where.
Okay, so I'm going to remove the existing fuse. This bit can be a bit tricky. Okay. Then we take a new fuse. The important bit is to remember that this part, when you're feeding it underneath, needs to be that way up. And I find it's easier if you kind of give it a little bend and then feed it through. You can either use the fingers or the pliers to reconnect. So this is me doing it with my fingers. This is the hardest one here. And I'm not able to do it, so I'm going to have to use the pliers. There we go. Then put the cover back over. So you can see it's not always that easy. This one also needs to go on that way. And then you replace the lid. You've got to make sure everything is lined up, especially your reset button. So as you can see, I put that back on and it's moved over the reset button. So you have to remove it again. Realign it. Start again. Thank you. Put on the washer and then the bolt. And that is your fuse replaced.